Okay, hi everyone. It's probably like 2 weeks later now. I'm driving to James's house back in Canada. I'm like an hour late already. It's like 5:30 in the morning. No, it's probably like 5:40. I was supposed to be there now. I'm not tired, but hopefully, James, you can forgive me for this. Yeah, we're headed to Tennessee today. We're gonna go with James's truck and pick up both the Army and the Orange Crush truck at the same time, haul them back to Canada. So yeah, coming along for the ride. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it goes off without a hitch. I'm tired, ready for this to be a bunch of fixing videos. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so we made it to Nashville.
What?
We made it to Nashville.
Yeah. Do you have video of your video?
Yeah, I'm videoing right now. I took a video of the truck. We're at a hotel, really like 10 minutes from downtown, which is it's tight. It's tight with all the truck and the trailer and everything. These people have been absolutely sweethearts. We got here last night and they let us park right in front of the hotel. Everybody down here has been super nice. Went downtown, had a couple drinks, some tacos. It's been a really cool place. I'll put a video in of the rooftop bar. Running a little crappy.
Just not gonna worry about that. Sounds about right.
Yeah, I'll throw a video in of whatever I recorded last night. And yeah, we're headed to Kimball, Tennessee today. That's where the trucks are parked. We're in Nashville, so like an hour and a half to go to get them. And hopefully we can meet up with some people that we met when we were down here last time. Brandon and Tommy from the towing company. Maybe we can have some lunch or something. So yeah, wish us luck getting the trucks on the big trailer. Got a winch, 2 winches, generator. Hopefully it'll be enough. But we'll find out.
So we're in Nashville. Slight weather storm.
Just a little bit of rain.
A little bit of hurricane fuck test. Getting wet.
It sure does clear the streets out quickly though.
The Johnny Cash bar was not good. The best bar that we've had was the Marriott.
We made it back to the trucks. We parked them over there, and now they've moved. Neither of them run, so I don't know how that's been done, but figure that out, I guess. Try and somehow get a 50-foot trailer or 51-foot trailer or something like that in here. Get these things on there. I'm not sure. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, so I've kind of lost my voice, but that was the world's longest car theft. It took us legitimately like 2 hours to get them up there and strapped and everything, but never claimed to be a professional at anything. Yeah, so there's the setup. I'd probably turn my head if I saw that going down the road, I guess. With the boat, it's too high. Army truck and Orange Crush. Hopefully it doesn't sway too much and just smooth sailing on the way home.
Yes.
Any comments?
Let's go home.
Brandon, the guy who drives the tow truck, who helped us out the first time, came by and helped us out again. And we wasted his...
We were supposed to go for dinner.
We were supposed to go for dinner, but...
You know, we're not there. So.
We didn't go for dinner. We ran out of time. So I apologize to Tommy and Brandon and Shelly, his wife. Sorry for wasting you guys' time. It's nice seeing you. I got to see Tommy, but...
Thanks for helping.
Yeah, thanks for your help. But, yeah, we're gonna finish up here and get on the road. We made it back to Canada. Oh my god. I wish I could have had the camera out for that. Ladies and gentlemen, the paperwork was not 100% sound. All right,
Let's not.
the Canadian side is really nice.
Yes, that's the best.
Just the nicest people ever. They could have given us a hard time about so many things. That truck doesn't have a title because it's from the US military. He was like, that's not worth it. I'm good. Anyways, we got our farm ones stamped. Everything's good. We can get ownerships for our trucks. We're out of the gray area and into the area I know. So, yeah, we made it back to our country. We were held up at customs for 3 days. I'm over the moon. James, anything to add?
No. I'm just going with it.
Yeah. Every good deed you ever did, every dead relative we've got just pulled a few strings, and we're like, come on, boys, you're almost there.
These guys have been driving for way too long and too many short hours. Just let them through.
We made it. I'm stoked. I think this is the end of this series. Probably make a couple videos on working on these trucks because neither of them run or drive now. But yeah, we did it. Thanks for watching.